Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start today's video with showing you the big reveal in my front room. This is my office and I am painting the palette wall. It's something I have been contemplating for so long and now is the time. I loved it. You guys loved the palette wall, but it was making the room feel so small. And fun fact, when my husband did the palette boards on here, I had always planned to paint them white, but he loved the natural wood so much I left it. Compromise at its finest.
I don't know why I did what I did. Somehow I think that I lost my head. Don't know why. Don't know why. I have realized when I'm with you, I wanna do what it takes to make you see.
Okay, you guys, the lighting is horrible. I'm gonna see if I can turn a light on in here. As you can see, I started off painting. I need to clean. Today has been a doozy. Yes, I have been crying. Like, parenting is so hard. Like, there are just days where you just feel like you're completely failing. And that's how I feel today. Chris is taking his to get something to eat because it's just hard. Parenting's hard. And I'm like trying to get this wall finished and I've got all these things on my plate. Like, I put all this pressure on myself. And then, like, being a mom, I feel like I'm totally failing at everything. It's just so hard. I usually don't like to put this type of stuff out there just because, you know, it's like hard and you don't want to be vulnerable because, you know, you don't want any backlash, but like I felt like I needed to, just because if you guys are having a rough day with parenting, you're not alone. I have teenagers and I have young kids and the teenagers are doing me in, if I'm being honest with you. The stuff with my daughter is just so heavy and I can't even talk about it. I don't even know, I can't even talk about it. She's asked me not to talk about her personal life and I've respected that because I think it's important that we respect our kids. But it's just heavy. And today is one of those heavy days. But I have to work. And I have to be there for everybody and be there for you guys. So I just figured, you know, I'm sitting here painting and I just started to cry and I figured, like, just pick up the camera and just share your heart because there's somebody, there's some mom, there's some dad out there that's feeling the way I'm feeling. And I just want to tell you, you're not alone. It's hard. Whether you have teenagers or kids are out of the house or toddlers, it's hard. So I just want to put it out there that you're not alone. I just ask for some prayers. That's all I can ask for, is just prayers. So I'm gonna, like, it doesn't matter if I'm crying, it doesn't matter if I'm having a bad day, things and life has to continue. So I'm gonna continue doing this wall. I'm almost done. I'm hoping to finish this room completely and then I'm gonna finish with a nighttime clean because when I'm overwhelmed, I stay up and I like to clean because it decompresses me. So I hope you guys stick with me this entire video. It would mean the world to me. We're gonna get this decorated, get this painted, get this decorated, and clean this house. Well, you guys, that was a very vulnerable moment. It was really hard putting myself out there like that, but I just felt like it would benefit someone, and that's why I did it. Totally out of my comfort zone, but I hope that it connects with someone, and you guys know that you are not alone, and this parenting gig is incredibly hard. As you can see, I finished the wall, and the sun is down. And I am liking it much better. I'm not in love with it yet, but it is going to do for now.
I am also doing the other room, but that is a huge surprise, and I will have a big reveal. I'm going to be decorating in there, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So I am going to do my best to do this evening's cleaning and not show that room at all, but I am just going to put some of the items I no longer need in the garage. I also want to add, I probably sound much better now. It's because hours and hours and hours have gone by, and I have cried it out and just prayed about it and moved on. So sometimes you just got to cry and then just go on with life.
Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me.
I'm going to start putting away some of the food I made actually earlier in the day. I did not eat dinner. I just was not feeling up for it. So I'm going to put this away and start cleaning the kitchen once and for all this evening. If you guys are loving these pajamas, these are from Target. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that all of the girls wore these on our weekend together last weekend. That was Megan, Jennifer, Amy, and Amanda. We had an amazing time. If you guys are getting some cleaning motivation and being inspired, would you please click that thumbs up button? It helps my channel out so much. It just lets me know what you're liking. And also, if you haven't yet already, I'd love for you to consider joining my YouTube family. It's completely free. It just lets you know when I upload future videos, and I have a ton of amazing stuff with fall and Christmas coming up, so you don't want to miss it.
Can't let go. But when you left, I could feel it grow.
I am using my favorite granite and stone cleaner. This is the Wyman's brand, and I think it is the best I have ever used. I purchased it from Target. I would highly recommend it. I also really do love the Method granite cleaner, and I get that from Grove. I have a link in my description box if that is something that you guys are interested in. And for new customers, you get a ton of awesome free goodies. So definitely check that out if you are interested. So I'm going to use my clean sponge. This is brand new that I have. I got a whole huge pack of them from Marshall's, and I love them. So I'm going to clean this glass top, nothing special, just get all of the stuff off of it, and then I'm going to wipe down the counters. So whenever I am cleaning, it doesn't matter what time of the day it is, I am always having to put things back where they go. So that is what I'm doing here, and in my cleaning videos I am going to be adding more of that because it is real life. I mean, who isn't always putting stuff back when you have kids? You will see I'm going to be picking up Transformers. I just did a huge purge and I did not film it, you guys. I was just in the mode and I did not want anything to stop me, and so I cleaned out all of the toys and made about 3 trips to the Goodwill. So yay me, and I cannot wait to show you the reveal of the front room. And I'm going to put my sponge in the dishwasher. I like to do this to sanitize it. I will do this with my brush and my sponges every evening. You can also put them in the microwave. That sanitizes them as well.
been tracking time since the day that we parted, hoping that you got all the things that you wanted. I know time flies, you moved on, yeah, I got it.
I'm going to clean off the table and use some good old Windex. I can't help it, you guys. I'm so old school. I love it. It's my favorite. I haven't found anything that beats it except the e-cloth for glass. It's pretty amazing.
I want to show you guys this little dish I got here. I got it from At Home, and I was looking for something that did not have a lot of visual weight, and I got rid of my gold tier that I was putting the fruit in. But look how cool this looks. Look how cool this is. I don't know what it is, but it is perfect for fruit.
I'm going to start finishing up in here and just use my Dyson around everywhere and just get all the hard surfaces and the rugs. I love this little thing. I have got it on the lower setting so it's not so loud and it doesn't wake up the boys, because that'll definitely put a cramp in my cleaning. I'll be honest with you guys, I was not having a good day all day. I was trying to clean and film and it just was not happening. The motivation was not there. And I know I needed to finish the front room and paint it. It was just so much. And then the stuff with my daughter, I just needed to cry it out. So I had to take a shower and just get over the emotions and then start cleaning. And honestly, I'm so glad I did, because I feel like I have not been in a good routine since we came back from our vacation. Again, we went to Savannah last week to visit the girls. It was so much fun, but my motivation has been lacking. So I just started, and you know what? I ended up doing way more and more than I expected. So I want to encourage you guys, if you are not in the mood to clean, just start. Give yourself 10 minutes, and I promise you'll feel proud of yourself for doing that 10 minutes, and more times than not, you're going to add more to it. So I am actually feeling very proud of myself right now.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard.
The refrigerator and the pantry were things that I did not even expect or anticipate to do, but I saw it, I was in the mood, and I tackled it, and I'm so glad I did. I need to go to the grocery store, and I like to do this before I go. If I'm on top of my game, usually I do it once the groceries get home. Let me know in the comments below. Do you clean out your refrigerator before you go to the grocery store? or you do it last minute like I usually do and just wait when you're trying to put new groceries away.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. No.
These containers I got from the Dollar Tree. They were just $1. They have 2 sizes, and I spray painted the lids a champagne gold. I did a whole Dollar Tree pantry video. I will try to link that above. If I don't, it's definitely in my playlist for cleaning and for decluttering and organizing. But I'm going to try to link it above for you guys.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, down, down.
Ruby is so excited. She's got some of these dehydrated sweet potatoes. She loves them. My sweet girl will do her tricks for a treat. We can't even say the word treat because she knows that is the smartest dog I have ever had.
This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. No, it's no more. No. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
Okay, you guys, I am done with the pantry. It's cleaned out. It's not perfect. Everything's Dollar Tree, as you can see. So I'm sure this looks familiar, but it's clean, and that is what counts. The freezer's cleaned out. The refrigerator, cannot talk, is cleaned out. The living room is nice and clean, and I am ready to have an easy day. I want to wake up in a clean house, and the wall is done. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the wall. If you haven't yet already, I'd love for you to consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. I love you. Bye.
Being pretty all the time doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.